Very excited to announce my upcoming online course, How to Use Props, Modify, and Customize Your Practice. Looking at the poses, sizing up the different variables of a pose, and then determining when a prop might be appropriate or how to modify it, and then also how to really customize and make things suitable for you. So looking at things in steps that lead to the final expression of a posture, that idea of what if, right? And that's where a prop or a modification comes in. It's like, well, what if I had a little more strength or a little more flexibility? And so you get an advantage. It's very functional, it's for safety, and it's also for enjoyment. Learn a lot about the technology of Asana and improve your practice.